Hello, welcome back to our pizza series where we're building pizzas. So we're going to be making a mixed vegetable pizza, as you can see right here, straight out of the oven, that one. So like I say, we're building the pizzas. So if you want to know how to make the pizza dough, there's a link below in the text. The sauce, the same. Link below in the text, and both the videos will pop up at the end. Let's get moving and get our dough ready. Okay, so there you saw me get that pizza dough together very fast. This is a 12-inch one, it's in a tin. You saw me oil the tin. Now if you use the dough recipe that I've used, you can make 2 of these. Let's start by getting some sauce on there. And as always, I like 3 tablespoons of sauce. That always does me about right. Like I always say, don't want to go crazy with the sauce. I don't want it swimming in there. I mean, like I say, do what you want, because this is a bit of fun really, isn't it? Right, there we go. Let's get some cheese on there. Today I'm going to be using some grated mozzarella. And again, I don't like to go absolutely nuts with it. And then we're going to go with some vegetables. So of course, you can do anything you want. What I've got here is I've got some zucchini, which I've just grilled off a little bit. I've got some eggplant, which I've done the same with. Just sort of cubed it up and then fried this off with a little bit of olive oil. Just spread it about nicely. I've got some cooked spinach. Wherever that goes. It's looking great already. I've got a little bit of sweet corn. I've got some peppers. Sort of slice them up like that. A few different colours. I've got some mushrooms. I'm going to town with this one. Again, fresh mushrooms, and I just sliced them up fairly thinly. A few black olives. This is a monster. A few little bits of sliced tomato. A little touch of chopped onion. Here I've got some dried oregano, or oregano, as you guys in the States call it. And then I'm just going to put a little bit more cheese on the top, just a little bit. Just kind of bring it together. Right, that's going to go in my oven. Get your oven on full blast, super high heat. For me, that's going to be about 6 minutes. I'll see you when it comes out. Okay, and that was 6 minutes in my oven. Absolutely wonderful. So about now, the dough recipe will be popping up, as well as the sauce recipe. Add what you like, enjoy it. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.